Hey there, fellow daters. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for navigating the ever-evolving world of online dating. Today, we're tackling a super common question: how to add height on Tinder in 2025. If you're tired of mismatched expectations or just want to make your profile pop, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First off, why does height matter? In 2025, Tinder has ramped up its features to make profiles more authentic and engaging, including advanced personalization options. Height is one of those details that can make or break a match, so getting it right is key. Plus, with Tinder's new AI-driven suggestions, you might even get tips on how to present yourself best. Step 1. Open the Tinder app on your phone or tablet. Make sure it's updated to the latest 2025 version. You'll notice a sleeker interface with more interactive elements. Once you're in, head to your profile by tapping the icon in the top right corner. It's that simple. Next, look for the Edit Profile button. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down to the Personal Details section, and you'll see a field for height. Tinder now uses a smart input system. Just type in your height in feet and inches, or centimeters if you prefer metric. For accuracy, the app might prompt you to verify with a quick photo or use your phone's sensors for an estimate. Remember, honesty is the best policy to avoid awkward first dates. Now, for some pro tips. In 2025, Tinder integrates with health apps, so if you link your fitness tracker, it could auto-update your height for you. Also, use this as an opportunity to highlight your best features. Pair it with a great bio to show off your personality. Avoid exaggerating. Authenticity leads to better connections. There you have it. Adding height to your Tinder profile in 2025 is straightforward and can boost your matches. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more dating hacks, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and happy swiping.